Hey guys, welcome back to the new tutorial from Tech and Fox. Today we are going to integrate a Chat GPT API in our Node.js application. For that, we are going to use a Node.js library provided by OpenAI. So here is that library. We can get this code snippets. So let's install OpenAI library into our Node.js application. To do that, we have to create one Node.js application. So I am creating it by using npm init command. So it will create a package.json for us with basic details. So I am keeping everything is blank, so it will take the default values and it will create a package.json for us. Now we need to install that OpenAI. So I am using command npm install OpenAI. So this will install a package of Chat GPT for us. Okay, now we have to create one entry point file for using this API. So I am creating index.js as we have mentioned our main file as index.js. So we will just copy paste this code to check our output. So this is a pretty simple code. Just here we have to replace our API key. So we can get this API key in our account section. In our account we have one section API keys where we have to create a new secret key. I have already it with me, so I am using that. Sorry. Here in prompt section you can ask any question. Suppose what is node.js. Here we are using await, so we need to create a sync function to run this. So I am creating one function named test and we will move all this code in this test function. Now we have to run this test function by using test. Now we can run our app and it will show the output whatever we have asked to the OpenAI. But here we are getting only one liner answer. To fix this issue, what we can do, we have a playground where we can find all the configurations. So here in view code we can find out the Node.js as well as Python, curl, JSON code. So we need to use this max token param to get a full length or long multi-line answer. So I am using this to, instead of 256 I am using this as a 500. Now when we run our code, so it will gives us the expected output. Okay, as you can see now it's giving a proper output to us. That's it guys, thank you for watching our blog. If you like